For the wrist warm-up, we're going to do a bunch of different exercises to get blood flow in and get the range happening through the wrists and forearms. Start off with some first knuckle push-ups, so it looks like this. So we're going up onto the first knuckle of the fingertips and down. And for this one, we're going to go high reps, just up and down, up and down. The idea is to get lots of blood flow going through there. It's going to be less focused on range, more focused on just repetitions. If it's difficult for you to get the range, then push your hands further out so that you're going to actually lift the palm up less. But if you've got good range, then maybe you want to go a little bit closer and put a little bit more load through the fingertips. Away you go. I shoot for around about 50 reps, fairly quick, aiming to get lots of blood flow. After that, turn the fingertips backwards, and then rock side to side. Try and keep the palm down as you press into the hand, pushing the first knuckle down. So the first knuckle is this part of the fingers into the ground as you go. 10 to 20 of those just to get lots of range through the wrist. Then bring the fingertips forwards and shuffle or shift your weight forwards, back and forth, keeping the palms down. Again, first knuckle pressed down into the floor. 10 to 20 reps of that. Then form a fist. Beat both hands, keep the fist throughout, lock the elbows, drop the back of the hand down towards the floor and push back up again. You can use as much or as little load as you're comfortable with. Go for 10 to 20 reps of that. Some people are going to bend the elbows a little bit when you first start doing it, totally okay, but aim to lock the elbows out throughout. And then the last one, spin the hands internally, internal rotation. So the little fingertips are pointing towards each other, fingertips are pointing back as far as you can, and shift the weight forwards and backwards. That whole lot should take about less than 5 minutes, and then you're good to go.